Hello everyone, and welcome to the Edgerton Public Library Reading Adventure Club. I'm here at the library in our meeting room, and I want to show you some books and tell you about a few things that we have here at the library for you this week. This week we're going to focus on the letter B, so I've pulled some books to share with you about bugs. And I want to show you a Microscope. Beginning this week, we're going to have 6 of these that you can check out and bring home. These are easy to use microscopes that let you check out really cool things like bugs or sticks or leaves. Fall is the perfect time to investigate. So again, these will be available at the Edgerton Public Library for you to check out with your library card for 14 days. You won't be able to renew them, but you will be able to take them and enjoy them for 2 whole weeks. Beginning with letter B, which is perfect for this time of year, is butterfly. And we have a great collection of butterfly books, a lot of things on monarchs, which are migrating right now. So if you are a fan of butterflies, stop in at the library, check out some butterfly books. I'm going to move over to another table. I pulled some books from our chapter book, easy reader, picture book, and nonfiction section. And these books are written by the author Andrea Beatty, whose last name begins with letter B. But we have books that are in our picture book section: Ada Twist Scientist, Rosie Revere Engineer, Sophia Valdez Future Prez. And this series has also started coming out with some chapter books. You may notice this green number 8 on the spine. That means that we added this book to our collection in the 8th month of the year, which is August, so it's a pretty new book to our library. Some of our character books we have shelved not really by the author, but by the name of the character. So Barbie is a good example. We have Barbie books in 3 different areas in our library: in the picture book section, the easy reader, and the chapter book section. And they're all in the B's under Barbie. Okay. A popular author, starting with letter B, is Judy Bloom. Judy Bloom has been writing books for kids and adults for many, many, many years. Even as a kid, I read her books, and your grown-ups in your life probably read some books by Judy Bloom. And a lot of these make really fun read-alouds. So if you're looking for a book to share with a grown-up in your life, or an older brother or sister, or cousin, neighbor, Judy Bloom might be a great choice. If you're a kid who likes mysteries and likes series, but books that can be read on their own, where you don't have to read the entire series, I might recommend these mysteries: Chasing Vermeer. We have another one, Pieces and Players, by the author of Blue Ballet, and those are in our B section in the chapter books. We have books in a lot of different formats at the library. Here's one, The Astounding Broccoli Boy, B with the letter B for broccoli, and the author Frank Patel Boyce. So this is in our B chapter book section, and we also have it available on CD, so you can listen to it. The Paddington books are written by the author Michael Bond, again with the letter B, and we have a Paddington book on CD as well. CDs are great to listen to while you're traveling in the car or sitting around at home. Sometimes you can download them and listen to them on a device as well. Another fun series that makes great read-alouds, or you can read on your own, are the books about Humphrey. Surprises According to Humphrey, Friendship According to Humphrey, Mysteries According to Humphrey. Those are just 3 of the many books that we have about Humphrey. Isn't he cute? Oh, look at that little guy. Well, we have a new reading adventure packet for you here at the library this week. We'll be offering these each week, something new. And this week, to celebrate letter B, we have a collage craft, a butterfly or bird collage, a symmetry activity with the letter B, a writing activity with the letter B, a pack of beads for you to craft, along with some a key ring and some lanyard string. Okay. So again, you can pick up this reading adventure packet in the library or through parking lot pickup. Just let us know you'd like one. Okay. I can't forget to remind you about some of our digital resources. BrainFuse is a new database to help you with homework. There's tutorials, there's virtual tutoring, there are practice worksheets, practice quizzes, all kinds of homework help and resources for adults as well. And another fun database we have is called Creative Bug. You can take classes and download patterns, get ideas for all kinds of crafts, and there's a special section just for kids. Okay? And two services we've had for quite a long time, Hoopla and Libby, lets you download ebooks, audiobooks, comics, and stream movies. So if you have a device that you can use, check out those resources. Okay? All of our digital resources, as well as our online catalog where you can put books on hold, can be found on the Edgerton Public Library website. Okay? Well, thanks for joining me for a quick tour, our Reading Adventure Club, and I hope to see you soon at the library. I hope your school year is off to a great start, whatever form that's taking, and don't forget that we're here at the library to help you and your family. See you soon.